remove the tie rod nut, which is 14 millimeter. Here I am threading the axle nut back onto the axle to be flush and using a mallet to knock the axle loose. Also have a piece of wood in between not to cause damage. Now that we got the tie rod removed, 10 millimeter for the tire sensor, wheel sensor. Remove that and get it out of the way. Pull through loose. Pull the little guides off. Straight out. And since you have it in your hand, go ahead, get your brake cleaner, spread it in a napkin. Go ahead, just put something dirty back on. Clean it right now while you got it in your hand. It's fine. Go ahead and put that right out the way. Next up, you're good to go. Get this where we need it. Alright, now we're good. There we go. Hope you guys saw that. There's the old one. Multitasking. Whew. There you go. So we got it out. This is what the old one looks like. Right there is our problem. Bad boot failure. Piece of junk. So, what we're looking for is make sure same length, same threads, same everything. Thread count. Just look at that. That thing is sheesh, bent. Oh man, that is horrible. Golly, look how clean and pretty that one is. Oh, we're good to go. Get this. Back in here. Oh. Here we go. Simple, easy peasy. And look at that brand new hub. CV axle is installed. Guys, I must say thank you for everything. Look at this brand new pretty. Oh, it's just so brand new. And everything's clean. Way cleaner than what it was. Way cleaner than what it was. Got the sensor up out of the way right there. Let's go ahead and finish it up, tighten everything down.